This video contains material that may upset or offend some people. Discretion is advised. It is a hunting video.
The block we are hunting in is tribal land, no poachers, and no 1080 poison.
Alright!
Yes, kia ora and g'day. We are heading out to hunt a few red deer and catching up with a mate of ours, Clayton, who is a professional guide, and he's gonna be with us for a few days. Come with us and enjoy these few hunts.
Right, I don't know where we're going, but that's all I can tell you.
A tour. Please give us safe and pleasant hunt. Thank you. Righto, we have just arrived and we are heading to the base camp. And here it is, our home for a few days.
That's Clayton's bedroom. That's our chiller. And that's our bedroom here. Double bunks. One there. James was on that side. I was in this side. And Clayton was outside. Where are you going?
I'll be out there.
That's our beautiful. Right, look at that, mate.
We got about 3 hours of daylight. We thought we'd go for a walk and see what we see. This one, but it's a very long shot. We can't risk it. And it'll be a hell of a job to get it out of there. So, no. There's a baby stag. Very good looking. My two baby stags. No good for us. Look how wide it is. Awesome. Very nice one. Very nice. Here is the bench that we can rest, and if we see something we can nail it. We'll come up there. It's a good distance, couple hundred meters. We can take them, but they're too small, a bit too young. Hey, it looks good. It looks like a spiky. All night. We're going to be here all night. Hey? Nah, it doesn't work at night. By the time we get to the other side, it's going to be night. Right, we're gonna call it a day. That's enough. We've been driving about 8 hours from Auckland. Awesome sunset. Atua, thank you for another day. Just as well we didn't shoot that one. We would have been here for another 5 hours. Oh, home at last. Here we are, another new day. And we're heading out to see what we can see. Atua, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, he's a big boy.
Oh, he's good. He's a bloody awesome head. There you go, you never know. From that one.
There's a gate. Oh, she's gone. Yeah, something like that. Okay. I don't know if I'm lucky. Yeah, go for it.
Yeah. Right here. This high. This high. Right here. This high. Go for them, James. Any of them, I'm alright. Any of them, I'm alright. Go for them, James. Any of them, I'm alright. Oh, one was. How many we got? Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Well done, guys. How many did we get? Eh?
Just shot a few. Behind up there, must be prep behind. And the dog's indicating.
Oh, shooting. Wait! Wait!
Another little one. Well, headshot.
That's how we do it.
Oh yeah. Headshot, mate.
We've got forward on that one.
Fuck. Right.
I'm gonna grab him.
No, she's alright. She's already in there. Okay.
My great ancestors look after the soul of this deer and guide it to the north, to Cape Reinga, for his soul to depart New Zealand to its birthplace and motherland.
Another young one. It's a bloody beauty. Yeah. Right. Beauty. Alright.
Right, so we managed to knock over 4 this morning, all headshots. So Tony and James have got some prime venison to take home. Nice shooting too there, James.
Just a couple of sparklers, but
Exactly, mate, exactly. So after last night we didn't see, well, we've seen a couple of deer but they're miles away. They actually winded us first and we spooked them, and then we sort of cut them off. I knew where they were going to go, so we cut them off and had a bomb up basically.
yeah, lovely job. I was filming. I hope there's some film there. I don't know. Hopefully there's something.
We'll be able to manage to get something out of it, I reckon, Tony. Awesome.
Skin them, cut them, and put them in the cellar. That's us, the work for the day. Alright!
They're all nicely hanging up in there, ready for Tony and James to take home. There's 4 beautiful eating animals here. It's taking the heart and the livers and the kidneys as well, and the tongues out of them. So nothing at all has gone to waste apart from
Heading back up to Auckland. What the hell was that? I think you hit that magpie. Yeah, but I think you hit up. Good for you. Poor bugger. His number was up. Hey guys, thank you very much for watching our videos. I appreciate your support. Hope you enjoyed this trip. And you take care. And alright. Hey, come on. Hey. We hope you enjoyed this hunt.
We hope to see you in New Zealand sometime.
Ka kite ano.
And he says we'll see you later.
Alright. We give tons of meat and meat products every year to friends and families and those people that they cannot afford to buy it. Shoemaker, stand strong and be forgiving, my brother.